Normally in construction industry, we are using OPC or PPC, ordinary Portland cement or Barcelona Portland cement, that is known to everyone. But at high bond cement, we have got another most important durable and sustainable construction material that is called Portland slag cement. We are producing around 3.2 million ton of cement every year at our Gondal plant near Rajkot in Gujarat. Again, welcomes delegates of webinar for the infra procurement shift in India 2026. And our main product, durable and sustainable product, is IS 455 Portland slag cement, which is having most importantly four properties like lower chloride content, lower sulfate content, higher alkali resistance, and lower heat of filtration. So that is why it is being used mostly at the various seashore constructions normally in along with the routine construction of PPC and PPC, OPC wherever it is possible. So our plant is having a major shift from OPC, PPC to durable and construction material, PSC. This is a aerial location or aerial view of our plant. We have got 9001, 14001, and 45001 certification. These are the different our sister concern products. Majorly now we will be moving to Portland slag cement, that is IS 455, which allows us minimum 25 to maximum 70% addition of ground granulated blast furnace slag in OPC cement to have a Barcelona slag cement. So PSC cement is little bit having a grayish color, is normally in OPC, but whereas in PSC it is little bit of white color. Final product of concrete or plaster will be having a little bit of white color, and GGBS is having a metallic product with 90 or 95% plus percentage of plastic content, and it gives a very smooth finishing to the construction, and it is rapidly chilling or quenching process that derives from steel plant. So steel plant, while manufacturing iron ore, they are also adding one third of the quantity of iron ore into the kiln to have proper flux material. So which is GGBS, it is a directly a proportion of limestone only. So limestone is added to the steel plant, and by return product we are getting the byproduct of steel plant that is called GGBFS, ground granulated blast furnace slag. So by adding 25 to 70% of GGBS into the OPC cement, we are getting Pozzolana slag cement. So this slag cement is having a different properties of durability and sustainability by adding 25 to 70% as per IS 455, which is having a lower permeability. Less permeability means impermeable concrete we can have by using PSC cement with lower water demand. So it is giving a higher strength also, as well as long-term strength is available up to 90 days and reduces cracking and expansion and contraction joints, as well as the aesthetic appearance. So the GGBS is derived from the steel plant when limestone is added to the steel plant kiln initially, and later on after quenching process from 1400 to 1500 temperature of steel plant kiln to 40 degree temperature, we derive getting GGBS, ground granulated blast furnace slag, and that is giving much more higher durability than the normal OPC or PPC. So the durability aspect is normally is important for the long-term durability of the structure, where normal OPC and PPC gives 60 to 70 years of span, whereas the PSC construction gives us more than 100 plus years of durability. And this impermeable concrete means because of the interlocking of the particles of PSC cement, it gives homogeneous concrete which is giving impermeable concrete, as well as soundness is also higher than the OPC PPC, because in leachatory expansion contact measurement, these PSC particles are giving much higher soundness than the OPC and PPC, and as well as strength is also achieved up to 90 to 120 days without curing. That is most importantly, nowadays people are having a problem of curing. At site, not more than 7 to 10 days curing is being made. So in that case, PSC cement is giving us higher compressive strength without curing up to 120 days and giving impermeable dense concrete with the interlocking of the cement particles in cement construction works. Along with that, we are giving a desired chloride, alkali, and sulfate resins, which is most important at seashore areas where the sulfate attack is mostly being endangered in the construction practices. So this PSC cement is giving CaSH, chloride, alkali, and sulfate resistance, as well as the lower heat of hydration. So lower heat of hydration gives expansion and contraction minimized, and so it gives a crack-free construction material. Along with that, it can be used in sewage treatment plants, water conservation storage capacities, as well as other canals, flyovers, and all types of construction where OPC or PPC are being used. These are the some of the customers where we are supplying, like HPCL refinery. The plant of HPCL refinery is at Pachpadra, Rajasthan, which is around 650 kilometers away from our plant. And though we are supplying there because the consultant has argued for the usage of PSC. In Rajasthan, there are more than 32 cement plants. Though they are getting their PSC cement from our Gujarat plant because of the benefits of the PSC cement. Others, customers like Navalakhhi Port and this hybrid renewable energy park at Khavda, this also using PSC cement instead of SRPC. SRPC, as you know, is a cement which is used for the sulfate resistance, and the PSC is a replacement of SRC also. Along with the PSC, we have got PPC, which is also a durable and sustainable construction material. Mostly in PPC cement, we are using minimum 15 to maximum 35% of fly ash, whereas we are adding just 20 plus minus 3. That is means only 17 to 23% of fly ash. And because it is giving higher strength in initial days, so it is a replacement of OPC. Our PPC is called premium PPC also because we are getting lower fly ash content as compared to others, which they are adding maximum 30 to 35% fly ash. And our PPC is giving strength of 60 plus megapascal at the age of 28 days. These are the various other approaches that we have derived from our Portland slag cement, which is a durable and construction material, like SPCL Badmer Rajasthan, as well as RNB Amul Dairy, Gujarat State Police Housing, RNB Western Railways, also using PSC for durability purpose. These are our other key customers. This is also key customers. So now, what is durability? Normally, we are talking of number of years for the person age. Similarly, for concrete, if we are using a construction material that is giving durable life as well as without maintenance, means without maintenance, if your set desired parameters are achieved in construction, then it is called durability of the concrete. And so in that case, this PSC is giving much more durability with ecological balance also because we are using byproduct of steel in the content of 25 to 70% in addition of OPC gypsum, normally cement that is being used in the construction area. So this PSC cement is recycling raw material of byproduct of steel plant as well as reducing carbon dioxide emission into atmosphere by 5% because 95% of carbon dioxide emitted through OPC is being reduced. So only 5% CO2 is emitted in the atmosphere by production of a PSC. And along with that, the CSH gel that is giving compressive strength to the cement construction concrete is being doubled compared to OPC or PPC. Because of the CSH gel higher production, PSC cement is giving higher compressive strength in PSC construction. Along with that, I told you earlier that chloride, alkali, and sulfate resistance is the most important parameters that PSC cement is giving to the construction, as well as higher impermeable concrete, along with the refined pore structure, smooth finishing of white color, that is aesthetical point of view is also good. And wherever the chlorides and sulfates are available in seashore areas. There also PSC is giving much durable and sustainable construction material being worked at the seashore areas.